core. Hello folks, today we're going to delve into a crucial topic related to healthy eating, the papaya fruit. Let's explore together the benefits of papaya for our health and its impact on weight loss, especially in this era where awareness about proper nutrition is on the rise. Papaya fruit is a fantastic source of vitamin C, bestowed upon us by nature. With its high content of vitamin C, it strengthens our immune system and shields our bodies against illnesses. Consuming papaya, especially during the cold winter months or flu season, can bolster our body's resistance. But wait, there's more to papaya's benefits, folks. It can also be a great option for those looking to shed some pounds. Here's why. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which aids digestion. This enzyme facilitates the digestion process and revs up metabolism. Consequently, it leads to a faster and more efficient digestion process, which can aid in weight loss. Now, how should we consume it? Papaya fruit can be enjoyed raw or added to fruit salads. You can also blend it into smoothies or incorporate it into desserts. However, like with everything else, moderation is key when it comes to papaya consumption. It's best to consume it in balanced amounts that fit into your daily dietary regimen. In conclusion, papaya fruit is truly one of nature's wonders. It not only supports our health but also contributes to our weight loss journey. Therefore, when adopting healthy eating habits, consider including papaya in your diet plan. Papaya, a member of the Carica genus, is a fruit with a taste resembling a mix of cantaloupe and pumpkin, while its appearance is similar to a pear. Becoming increasingly popular in recent times, papaya is a fruit rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals, and it serves as a potent source of antioxidants, offering significant health benefits. What are the benefits of papaya? Papaya possesses properties that alleviate pain, prevent aging, positively impact eye health, renew cells, and aid in weight loss. Papaya is also known to prevent nausea in pregnant women and serves as a good fruit alternative for babies transitioning to solid foods. Additionally, papaya is rich in vitamins A and C. Here are the 14 benefits provided by papaya. It is rich in vitamins A and C, supporting the immune system. It helps the body rid itself of toxins. Papaya positively affects eye health with its beta-carotene content. It regulates bowel movements due to its high fiber content. It has pain-relieving properties and supports bone health. It contributes to the renewal of skin, liver, and muscle cells. It alleviates menstrual cramps in women. Papaya contributes to meeting the body's vitamin C needs. It helps with weight loss with 62 calories in 150 grams. It assists in preventing nausea in pregnant women. It serves as a good supplementary food for 8-month-old babies with its vitamin content. It relieves constipation and heartburn. It has a lactation-promoting effect in nursing mothers. It contributes to delaying the aging process. Here is the recipe for Papaya Angel Delight. Ingredients: 1 cup skim milk, 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon vegetable oil, 150 gallon papaya, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon shredded coconut, powdered sweetener, optional. Instructions: take a saucepan and add vegetable oil and whole wheat flour. Stir over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes until the flour is lightly toasted. Add skim milk and powdered sweetener, if using. Cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Dice the papaya and add it to the saucepan, along with vanilla extract and shredded coconut. Simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, then remove from heat. Transfer the mixture to bowls and let it cool to room temperature. Once cooled, you can optionally sprinkle additional shredded coconut on top before serving. Enjoy your Papaya Angel Delight. Now I'm going to tell you about the benefits of chia seeds and some points to be aware of when using them. Chia seeds come from the seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to South America. These tiny seeds have been used as part of traditional medicine in ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs and Mayans. Nowadays, they have become a popular functional food. Now let's talk about the health benefits of chia seeds. These miraculous seeds contain 42.1 grams of carbohydrates, 30.7 grams of fat, and 16.5 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are especially great as a plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids for vegans and also contain many minerals and vitamins such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, niacin, and vitamin A. When it comes to the impact of chia seeds on weight loss diets, their phenolic compounds exhibit antioxidant effects, combating free radicals in the body. Additionally, their content of polyunsaturated fatty acids and omega-3 supports heart health. Their soluble fiber content regulates bowel movements, balances blood sugar levels, increases the feeling of fullness, and facilitates weight loss. However, there are some points to be aware of when using chia seeds. It's recommended to consume a maximum of 2 tablespoons per day. Overconsumption may lead to stomach issues. Additionally, individuals with hypotension or those taking blood pressure, lowering medication should consult a doctor before using chia seeds. People with allergies should also consume chia seeds with caution. There are many ways to consume chia seeds. They can be eaten raw or added to yogurt, salads, puddings, breakfast cereals, and various dishes. They can be incorporated into recipes ranging from bread to desserts. Lastly, chia seeds are not recommended for children under 5 years old. For children aged 5 to 18, daily consumption should be less than 2 tablespoons. Pregnant and breastfeeding mothers should avoid consuming chia seeds without consulting a doctor. I hope this information has been helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Wishing you all a healthy day.